quick update on USDJPY. Okay, now potentially we have a 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5. Now this is my alternative count. I'm gonna go to the other one in a minute. I didn't like this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To me, this has always been a channel corrective, which is telling me bullish. But if we take this 0.618, that will increase the probabilities that we're bullish, because this will no longer be able to be a 4. Okay, this will no longer be able to be a 4 once we take that 618, which is measured from the top of 2 to 3. Okay, so we take that 618, we clearly know that's not a 4th wave, confirming this correction that's finished, and then this will become a 1. Okay, this will become a 1, then we look for a 2 and then a 3. But let me just go inside this quickly. See, with this as well, it's like one maybe here, 2. Let me just see how far we've gone up from here. So we haven't hit the 618, so we could potentially be in the 1, then an A, B, C for 2, then continuation higher. If we take that 618, then this can't be an A, B, C. If we take it before coming down, if we take 618 before coming down, we would have taken the 1618 as well, which would be too much for this to be a B wave, because I would have counted A, B, C for the 2. So let's put on the other count. Okay. Very messy, but for a reason. Okay, so I've been marking out. I want to clearly see what's going on. So that's the 1. That would be a 2. Okay, the 1 is a leading diagonal. All the rules have been honored for a 1 and a 2. I don't know why the count isn't on there, but that would be 1 and 2. Okay, then you're looking for 3, 4, 5. Let's have a look at this too quickly. Good, we did grab liquidity down here. But we could do it again. Go deeper into the box with a 2. So it would make it A, B, C, yeah? And then look for 3. Or if we don't take the 618, then we're coming down to get a 5 down here, which was on one of my counts. Should be this one. Yeah, right there. So literally, we want, if we're bullish and we want to be a buyer, and this is not a C, so we'd look at it like 1, and this wouldn't be A, B, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then provided we don't hit the 618, let's say we trap in this area. Where's the EMAs? So if we swipe this high, do not take out this black line, or we swipe this high even if we Nah, yeah, even if we manipulate that black line, as long as we don't touch the 618 over there, yeah, then we're looking for lower again on the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, we take that 618. This is no longer a 4, and this is a 1, and we're looking to see if that's the 2. Okay, we're looking to see if that's the 2, or we're getting another 2 to then get 3. Okay, but if we hit that, we know the correction's done. Okay, and I don't expect a bigger correction. Sorry for that. I don't expect a bigger correction than that. We've already had a big zigzag. Okay, but we could get a W, X, and a Y or something like that. But I don't expect a bigger correction. I'm looking at it like take the 618, corrections done, going higher. So we monitor. If you see price come and take this 618, all you're waiting for at that point is a free wave move down, and then some form of a break of structure. Okay, takes the 618. Okay, something like that. Okay, you just want a 3-wave move down. You want some kind of confirmation that's finished. So maybe inside here, okay, you get some kind of a level. When we go above it, you're clear, and your stop losses can go right here. And we're aiming for a 3 at that point. So we're looking for a minimum of the 1618 at that point. Extension. Okay, so if it ended somewhere there, we just pop on the 1618 to the 2. 1618 to the 2. This area we'd be looking for price to get to. Alright, we have relative equal highs here. 88.6 here. I would expect us to eventually take out the blue line. Alright. So that's the analysis on AUD/USD. I know it's messy, I know it's a bit brief, but I've got to check out some other charts. I've got news in half an hour. So I just wanted to give you something. Okay? So like, comment, subscribe, peace.